Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I wanted to show you how we can export the guest user accounts, which are or which accounts or which users have accepted the invitations and which are not, right? So for example, we have invited more than 10 or hundreds of guest users in bulk, right? And we wanted to make sure all those user accounts have accepted the invitations, and we wanted to see who has accepted, who has not accepted, right? So that is when there is a script that I have created. Also, I have modified it as per the need and as per requirement, right? And then how that script is going to help us to make sure we only export the user accounts which are guest accounts, and we can see that which accounts or which user has accepted the invitations, which has not, right? So that is the context about this, and that is the purpose of this video, to make and show you how we can do that. Also, I'm going to show you complete step by step using the PowerShell, right? And that script is going to be executed on Microsoft Graph PowerShell, right? And yeah, so this report is going to be very helpful for IT admins as well as the people who are actually working on Entra ID and all other different workloads in Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It is not specific to Entra ID, but anyone who works on Microsoft 365 ecosystem as an administrator or system admin, right, as a cloud admin, and all those different folks, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let me share my screen and I'll show you quickly it here. All right, so here's the PowerShell script that I have opened up, and I have a script that with me here, right? So this is the script which I'm going to execute. So these are the number of lines that are of the script. So I'm going to copy it here and then paste it here and execute that one. So yeah, currently you can see there are different users who have accepted, and there's only one user account which doesn't have accepted invitation at all, right? So you can see the date as well when external user state change with the date and time. This has accepted on 2022, then this has accepted 2024, and this user has not accepted yet. So right, so on 26 November 2024, at this time, this user account was invited, but this user doesn't have accepted, or this user has not accepted the mutations. So I'm going to show you the same in Enter ID portal as well. So from here, you can see under the user section, I'm going to simply open it up, and here's the user account. And this is the user, right? And here you see the status. So invitation state is pending, right? And this is pending because this user has not accepted it, right? So now you might be wondering, this is a normal state. Definitely this is a normal state, but as soon as we invite someone as a guest user in the tenant, user gets notified or notifications from our tenant, and then user has to accept that notifications in order to get the access to the resources that we are going to share, whether it could be SharePoint site, it could be a Teams group or channels, right? And basis on that, it is going to simply let those users to access those resources, right? So this way we can simply make sure that this user has accepted the invitations, and if not, then we can ask or we can share this report to export, or to simply ask them to go ahead and accept that invitation so that we can provide the appropriate license or appropriate access levels. If you wanted to get the report in CSV, simply uh, press Control or Shift and forward arrow, and then give it a file name. Let's say guest users invite.csv, and then hit enter. So what it is going to do, it is going to create this file, right? And then this file is going to be exported, as well as this is showing us the report here. right? And let's say if I go to this path here quickly and execute this, I should see that file. So here is the file and it shows 0 KB, but there should be those results. Let's see how it goes. Oh, it really didn't pick up the results here, but this way, the way which I showed you here, right? This is the correct way where we can simply get the same data in the CSV file exported, and this way we can share it across the organization or whoever needs to see that report, right? And yeah, so that is all I wanted to show you in this video. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you will like it. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Also watch other videos that I have made on Enter ID and Office 365 across, right? And put any questions if you have, and also share it across your friends and community and whoever needs to see and watch. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.